This is Martin Luther King, and this is the I Got a Dream speech. All right, I just got back from Atlanta. Like I said, I just got back from Atlanta. This is 2025, so we're gonna go back to the beginning. This is Gov.O'Malley, November 2006. I was making a documentary about stop and frisk and zero tolerance, about the war on drugs, the war on Black America. You feel me? And I used the toilet to do it. Gov.O'Malley approved a program. And this was the program, Get Shorty, all right? Made a movie and a documentary, Get Shorty. That's Vicki Lawrence from Mama's Place. That's Governor Schaefer. That's Sam Cassell's, all right? Imagine having your own manservant available 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, all right? Like Richard Pryor in The Toy, I was selling myself for $150,000, all right? And Governor O'Malley approved it. You get to buy me. And it was for charitable donations, all right? Get Shorty. Get Shorty. And this is Shorty. You locked me up for doing it in 2007 and again in 2011. Because I used the toilet. A toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. Question of the day. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. It was art, piece, and evidence. And the evidence on that toilet was about the corruption under the Governor O'Malley's administration. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. I'm a weaver in Baltimore. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. I'm a weaver in Baltimore. And I did another documentary, The 90 Days of Session, The 90 Days with Shorty, Sign or Die. That's Governor Westmore. You get the golden apple. Like I said, that's Martin Luther King. And these are our representatives in the Maryland in the 2025 session. Kalen Young asked for exoneration. He sent it to the Attorney General's office. Malcolm Ruff been knowing me since he was a law student at the University of University of Baltimore. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? I'm keeping the dream alive. Passover was Sunday. Good Friday's coming up. If you deny you know me on earth, are you going to deny you know me in heaven? I've been asking for my freedom since 2006. You feel me? Just like Martin, I'm keeping the dream alive. That's Senator Ben Cardin's 2007. See that? Dwayne G. Davis, Falls Road. In regard to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. Says to get in touch with Blagojevich. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can 52 other members of the Democratic Party. If Blagojevich can go to jail, a lot of y'all on this paper can go to jail because y'all been protecting that corruption. You feel me? It's going to be the biggest scandal that you ever seen. Baltimore rewired the money behind the machine. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. He ain't in office no more. Prosecutorial immunity don't apply to you. I'm Shorty, the cook. Since 1999, the best of the best in Baltimore. You feel me? And I was insured when I started this. Brother Insurance. 1190 Falls Road. That's Governor Blagojevich. And I contacted Governor Blagojevich. That's the bank, the CEO of Bank Ed Hall. When he got caught at BWI with that gun. This is Exhibit 3. All right. And that's Special Agent Special Agent Jason in the Chicago FBI. That's Judge Starks. All right. See the case number? 86. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. I never got a trial. All right. So like I said, we're going to go to the Supreme Court with this. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. And I put it all there. The NAACP, the Attorney Registry Disciplinary, and the Lake County Board got that. You feel me? You got that. That's the Supreme Court of the United States, 2013. You feel me? And it's all, like I said, right here. And it's notarized. NAACP, ACLU, President Obama, and Boehner from the... That's how long I've been doing it. This is the property you stole from me. State of Illinois, Dwayne Davis file. All right? 1986. That's the property you stole from me in 2007. All right. That's the state. And these are the lawyers that participated in this. Ken LaRue, Michael Waller, and Karen Levy. My public defender worked with the state's attorney to incarcerate me. All right. Like I said, I never got a trial. See that? We don't want no misunderstandings. N62528. I'm a political prisoner. And this is the community in crisis, the town hall. And these is your elected officials that had this information about this. Maryland's prison industry. Whistleblower. All right. Rob Fix Production. That's Karen Park. Mary Bubala and Kai Jackson from Fox 45. That's Kathleen Hughes, Jamie Lee Foster Brown from Sister to Sister magazine. And I named you all right there. And the state prosecutor got that. T.J. Smith, Charles Gibson, Gail King. Federal investigation. You feel me? I'm keeping the dream alive. City, county, state, and federal levels. President Trump, President Biden, President Obama, and President Bush. 1964 Public Accommodations Act. See the big picture? 1964 Public Accommodations Act, courtesy of Martin Luther King. That's Martin Luther King. And that's Governor Westmore. 90 Days of Shorty. Governor Westmore, public accommodations. Toilet. Yeah. Did you use a toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow, because we're going to go to court about this. Keeping the dream alive. If I go to jail, I got to share that toilet with an inmate. 2025, we're going to share this toilet with the world. From 2007 to now, you're going to remember me. This ain't Batman. This a black man living in America. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Remember that. This is black leadership selling out our black community. And Kathleen Hughes can't say that she don't know. T.J. Smith can't say he don't know. C4, Lisa Robinson, yeah. Larry Young, 92Q, Shorty, pull your mask up? No, Shorty, stop shitting on me. Who get the golden apple today?